Try something new. Working on a 96 Chevrolet 1500 standard cab, long bed. I'm gonna put a transmission in, as you can see. This transmission comes off of a 4.7 liter Chevrolet, and it should fit on this 4.3 liter inside this full-size pickup. The only thing is I gotta change the flex plate, which is this right here. This one's more of a concave, I guess. The reason why is the shaft is not deep enough where it has a plate on it, and this one is I believe it's called a 300 millimeter or something like that. So if I were to install it with the stock flex plate with the 4.3 from the 4.7 V8, what it's going to happen is the starter is either not going to hit the teeth, or the starter is going to grind them and go too far and go make a sound that's like it's not even going to start. It just goes ring, that's all. So this is going to be my first video on installing a 4L60 to a 4.3 liter V6 from a 4.7, I believe, a 4.8 Chevrolet. Okay, I'll keep you updated. Thank you.